In this video, I'll be making a face mask only using one color, and you guys commented red. The only problem is if the face mask doesn't turn out completely red, then I lose and I will have to drink an entire bottle of hot sauce as punishment. Let's go grab the ingredients. Let's start with my favorite red candy and snacks. Peppermint, smash, smash, smash. Strawberry, smash, smash, smash. Mix, mix, mix. Red Hot, smash, smash, smash. Cinnamon Altoids, smash, smash, smash. Cherry Ring Pop, smash, smash, smash. Cherry Fun Dip. Make sure you stay to the end to see if I have to drink the hot sauce. Takis? I heard these are intense.
Takis are seriously intense.
Sriracha Chickpea Puffs, smash, smash, smash. This face mask is starting to get a little unhealthy, so let's add some healthy red ingredients to even it out. Red onion, smash, smash, smash. Red apple, it's a little hard. Maybe it's not ripe yet. Red peach, this one's ripe. Nice and juicy. Pomegranate, give it a nice squeeze. This is really messy. Red chili pepper, now we're adding in some heat. Red beans, good source of protein. Raspberry. Red grapes, so satisfying. Smash, smash, smash. Strawberry, do you want the strawberry?
You can't have it.
Tomatoes, is a tomato a fruit or vegetable? Comment below. Watermelon, juicy and delicious. Now we're gonna add some red spices to give it a little heat. Chili garlic sauce, fresh salsa, ketchup, okay, that sounded weird. Tahini, mix, mix, mix. Chili powder, mix, mix, mix. Hot sauce, red pepper flakes, it's starting to get super spicy. Cayenne pepper.
What?
This is starting to get a little too spicy for me, so let's cool it off with some red drinks. Mountain Dew Code Red. Powerade Fruit Punch, not as good as Prime. Watermelon Red Bull. Ghost Sour Patch Kids Red Berry. Mix, mix, mix. Bubbles, suck it up. Inject the red stuff. Cut Tide. Turn it on and dispense. Now we just wait a few minutes and I'll be right back to try it on. It looks ready to me. I'm not gonna lie though, it smells kinda nasty. The spices are really kicking in. It's getting kinda hot. It's falling off my face. Don't forget to subscribe and comment what face mask you wanna see next.